Hello colleagues, I want to tell you about the automation of collection volumes of material in the models. The plugin allows you to automatically assemble a quantification according to a specific hierarchy. Algorithms are now imperated separately for architect models, structures models, or HVAC models. For architecture, for example, these are the name of the object, the name of the sections, the floor number, the category of element, the type of element. The process monitoring function can be implemented. The process is monitored by creating a text file, this information, and this file can read the robot. It could easily read all text documentation and output a parallel process to a web server. The plugin collects sort sets in the model according to consistent hierarchy. After collecting the sort sets, they are sent to fill out the elements of the quantification workbook. The workbook hierarchy is preserved. After processing the script, we get the generate quantification. You can assign resources to each quantification element, so this is a separate function. You need to select a template file with resources. In the final, we receive the generate volumes from the model with the assigned resources. For HVAC system, the division can be made by system name. For folders of categories can be created at once. Currently, the export is implemented in Exapta via the JSON format. This data can be uploaded to ERP or CRM system in a convenient format using a separate export function. All functions can adapt and expand for your needs. Please give me feedback if you need the source code.